Shotgun roulette. 112 gauge slug, 112 gauge buckshot, 9 pellets, and then 1 target load. And he has to guess what shot he's using.
Oh boy.
Can you do it?
Sure.
See you, buddy. Go outside so you can take the guess.
Oh boy.
First shell, buckshot. Second shell, target load. Third shell, slug. Hey, princess. Here. Find out.
Don't even know what it is.
It's loaded. Let's go.
Here we go.
Take
First shot.
Take a guess.
That was a lead shot right there.
That shot? Okay. Pump it. Let's see.
No,
it's
it's
a
a slug?
Wrong guess.
Okay.
Take 2. I'm guessing.
Lead shot.
Let's see. Pump it. All right. Maybe you can get this one right.
Maybe.
What do you think it is?
Buckshot?
Maybe.
That was definitely buckshot.
Okay. So 1 out of 3. Mainly because you missed every single other one.
Ha ha.